You're watching Dr. Johnson's official YouTube channel. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix it safely. Place the resistance band around your knees and squat slowly.
Okay, squatting now.
Good. Keep the knees aligned. If you want to recover smarter and move stronger, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and start your recovery journey today.
Doctor, I have severe back pain. I can't stand properly.
It hurts when I walk or sit for too long.
I feel like I cannot do daily work.
This is a spinal disc problem. The space between discs reduces. When the disc slips or compresses, it causes.
This can affect nerves and cause weakness. That is why you feel pain while standing or walking.
My lower back hurts the most. I feel stiffness in the morning, my legs sometimes feel numb, and I cannot lift anything heavy.
Okay, let's take a look at that. We will start with a physical examination. Then we may suggest MRI or X-ray. This helps us understand the disc condition. After that, we will plan treatment sessions. We will do 3 to 4 therapy sessions. Each session will be about 30 minutes. We will combine manual therapy and machine therapy. This will gradually reduce your pain. Let's begin your first session. Relax your body. We will start with soft tissue therapy. This will reduce muscle stiffness.
I feel a little relief already. The pain is slightly less. My muscles feel relaxed. This is comforting.
Now we will apply heat therapy. It improves blood flow. It reduces stiffness. It prepares muscles for next therapy. And then counting 15 mate. This is a TENS machine. It sends electrical impulses. It blocks pain signals. It is very effective for back pain. We are starting TENS therapy. You may feel slight tingling. This is normal. It helps reduce pain quickly. Your first session is complete. You need 2 to 3 more sessions. Consistency is important. You will feel better soon. This is spinal mobilization. It increases flexibility. It reduces disc pressure. It improves movement.
I feel tingling but no pain. It is comfortable. My back feels lighter. I am hopeful now.
This is ultrasound therapy. It uses sound waves. It heals deep tissues. It reduces inflammation.
I can walk better now. The pain has reduced a lot. I feel more flexible. I can stand longer.
This is your third session. We will strengthen your muscles. This prevents future problems. Strength is very important. Pull your knee to chest. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 5 times. This reduces lower back pain. Let's start with basic exercises. These are safe and effective. Do them daily. They will support your spine. This improves spine flexibility. Move slowly. Breathe properly. Repeat 10 times. Let's start with basic exercises. These are safe and effective. Do them daily. They will support your spine. This strengthens back muscles. Lift your hips slowly. Hold for a few seconds. Repeat daily.
Avoid junk food. Reduce oily foods. Avoid sugary drinks. These increase inflammation. Your diet is very important. Eat calcium-rich foods. Include milk, yogurt, and eggs. Add fruits and vegetables daily.
Your diet is very important. Eat calcium-rich foods. Include milk, yogurt, and eggs. Add fruits and vegetables daily.
I feel much better now. My pain is almost gone. I can do my daily work. I am very thankful.
Always maintain good posture. Avoid heavy lifting. Exercise regularly. Take care of your spine.
If ignored, this problem can worsen. It may lead to severe pain. Early treatment is important. Do not delay. Back pain is treatable. You just need proper care. Follow therapy and exercises. You will recover. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more health videos. Stay healthy and active. See you next time.